Let's use the acronym STATS to learn about the meaning of statistics in singular sense. S in STATS stands for Systematic Study of Numerical Data. Numerical data is that information which is measurable. It is always collected in number form. T stands for Techniques to Collect, Organize and Present Data. A stands for Analysis of Data. T stands for Tools for Interpretation of Data. After data is collected and presented in a systematic manner, then the third step is to analyze and examine the data and interpret the results. S stands for specific purpose. Statistical studies are always done for a specific purpose. So, for the definition of statistics, just combine these points. Statistics is defined as a field of study relating to collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data for a specific purpose. Thanks for watching.